In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use customized quote templates in HubSpot. We'll walk through exactly where to click and what each option means. So by the end, you'll be able to build a reusable quote template that keeps your branding and structure consistent every time your team sends a quote. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account with the right permissions to work with quotes and commerce tools. From your main HubSpot navigation bar at the top, look for the section labeled Commerce. This is where HubSpot groups together tools related to payments, quotes, and other revenue features. Go ahead and click on Commerce to open that workspace. Once you're in the Commerce area, you'll see several options. Here, find and click on Quotes. This will take you to the main quotes dashboard. On this page, you can see any quotes that have already been created, their statuses, and other details, but for now, we'll focus on creating something new. On the Quotes dashboard, look for the button that says Create Quote. You might see it in the top right corner. Click on Create Quote. In many accounts, this first click starts the process where HubSpot asks you to connect a quote to a deal or choose some basic settings. You may see a panel or a new screen open up. If HubSpot prompts you again with another Create Quote button in the flow, click Create Quote once more to confirm that you want to start building a new quote configuration. This just tells HubSpot that you're moving ahead with setting things up more formally. Next, HubSpot gives you an important option. Instead of just creating a one-off quote that you'll have to rebuild from scratch later, you can create a quote template. Look for and click on Create Quote Template. This is the better choice if you want a reusable layout with consistent branding, structure, and default sections like standard terms, product tables, or signature blocks. After you select Create Quote Template, HubSpot will show you a confirmation screen or a short overview of what you're about to do. When you're ready to proceed, click on Continue to Create Template. This takes you into the full template customization experience, where you'll be able to adjust fields, styling, and content so your quotes look professional and stay consistent for every deal moving forward. And that's it for the navigation steps. From here, you can start tailoring the template itself, saving it, and then using it whenever you create new quotes for your customers.